Assalamualaikum. My name is Arif Billah. Today I want to talk about my city where I was born. This is the most famous city in Bangladesh. The name of the city is Borishal. Because of the famous is there are a lot of person, locations, rivers, cultural activities and so many things. There are Shere Bangla A.K. Fazlul Haq, Mustafa Kamal, Bijoy Sengupta, Ahsan Habib, and so many great people in Borishal. And the location is the second largest sea beach, Kuakata, that's situated in Borishal, Jacket Shower, Bibi Pukur, etc. And our Borishal has so many resorts. So we travel one place to another place using launch. This is the most interesting and enjoyable things for me. Finally, I am proud to be born in Borishal. Thank you.